Come on and join me for an exclusive early look of the Christmas market in La Plaza, Spain. So right now, it's very early. The stalls are now getting set up. Some of them aren't open yet, as they'll open later on in the season. So we could just imagine some of the things that would have there. There are already these hustlers hustling toys and other items. Look, they have a slinging shot with a light there. And people are already coming out. Maybe just to see the atmosphere, the decorations, or the early setups. So some of these booths are already open. Let's take a look at what they have. Look at the cute Grinch there with the dog. Oh, some nice Christmas bulbs someone is buying there with reindeers. And there are some other homemade stuff here with wood, it seems. And as you can see, there's cardboard boxes all over because these stalls are now getting set up. Let's go again. So one of the beautiful things here is not just the nice items that they have in the Christmas market, but the decorations themselves. So like for example, look at the hotel. These lights, candles, and of course the big Christmas tree. We'll get a closer look of that soon, but first let's take a look at the horse that's in the center. So he's not decorated, but he is the iconic of the square. Very cool with the clouds and stuff behind it. Looks really nice. Let's go to the Christmas tree. See lots of families, couples, etc. out already. Beautiful, huge Christmas tree. Wow, so beautiful. And who's that big guy there? That's Stitch. So those little whistling is the whistle that some of those guys have that are selling items. I think they're selling the whistles as well. Look again. Use this kind of slinging shot that then glides down. Ooh. And look at these classic lamps. As I said, most of the stalls are still closed, as they'll open up later on in the season. There's a certain beauty about these lamps that I think is stunning. And of course there's a nice area to sit below it. So even though the market isn't fully opened as yet, Spain already has a lot of Christmas items or Christmas decorations, not just in this market, but more so in the streets. If you take a peek there, down that street, there's lights and decoration set up for miles and miles. And each street has a different pattern, a different theme. So I'll see if I can carry you all to some of those streets and walk through some of that. Look there again, between those columns is a next street behind there. So you can see, oh, And there's another one here. As you can see, there's different decoration, different themes in each street, and it goes on and on. So let's take a walk and check out some of that and see all the people enjoying this wonderful festive period. As we go to the street, I like these big arches that you walk through. Oh, there's a little doggy. I wonder if he's feeling cold. So you could already start to see that there's different decorations and these things. A little angel and some pancake looking thing. There's a wise man, I suppose, and a snowman behind him. These streets are busy and there are restaurants on the sides. See, a lot of people are walking even though it's late in the night, even babies. But babies aren't walking. Actually, yeah, they are. Top of the restaurants and the street. So let me see if I go to the next street and show you the difference in the decorations, and you'll see as well there are a lot of people there, just like right here. Oh, there's a Five Guys restaurant. I thought that was native to New York. So here we have another street, and check this building. It's huge. So here for the Christmas decor. So a snowman. Check his mouth, his teeth. And there's some other there. Don't know why there's so much people lined up there. Let's see. Oh, it seems like it's some sort of line for a restaurant. Oh yes, I'm smelling the food. I'm smelling fried calamari. Let's go again. Alright, so I'm gonna walk back to one of the main squares now that has really beautiful magical Christmas decorations. I really want to show you all those, and then we can. And ooh, look at these pastries, these sweets. It looks like Turkish delights there. So let's go to that main square. I'll just follow these lights until I reach there.
There we go. Why is this plenty? We're done. We're booking it. There's like 4 places. We said we're in
right now in the So So there are lots of lovely little food places. Like here we have this churro place. Churros being made hot on the spot. Maybe I could get some warm churros for the school night. Let's just jump in and see what it has. Looks really good. Smells nice. Grab one of this and then we'll continue on our journey. It's warm, it have a nice crisp, but it's not like hard, it's still soft. And the chocolate is not quite dark chocolate, and it's not quite milk chocolate, it's not overpowering and too sweet. It's a really nice combination. So as I'm walking there and I'm finishing off this street, I just saw this street abreast it with some really classic lights. I like these here, so I'll just say I'll give you all a view and let's continue on. I'm seeing the Christmas tree for the square. I didn't realize I reached already. So there's lots of people here. Let's move in. Wow, if you could feel the chilly breeze blowing here. Look at the decoration of those wreaths on this entire building. Oh wow, let me see if I can zoom to give you all a peek. This street up there is so beautifully lit. We reached there just now. Just want to take a detour of the street abreast, show you all the difference in the decorations of each of the streets. Oh! How adorable. Look at these as far as the street goes. Let's go get a nice close-up of this tree. Then you'll see the bulbs, the glittering lights. This distance isn't doing it justice. Oh wow, this is a real Mahania street performer. Give tips there. Oh, there's a Grinch up ahead. So I'm gonna pan left to show you all this other street, and it's packed with people. Wow. But that's because that entire street, the buildings are just so beautifully lit. See if I can get a zoom up. I won't go in there because of the crowd right now, but I hope I give you all a good view. And there's another Grinch. Oh my gosh, look at that baboon. Oop. Just go show you all this tree here. Wow. And a big baboon. There's also a stitch and a bluey. And a Mario.
Super Mario, wow!
Look at another street there with silver decoration. And that would be going up the entire street.
My friend.
So your only if I was to continue doing this, it would go forever and ever, because as you see, it's almost every street is decorated straight to the end with a different theme, and of course the beautiful Christmas tree. Thanks for viewing, and stick in next time for some more beautiful, magical, mystical Christmas stuff. Enjoy. Bye.